right? I'm sharing the screen for the questions. Yes, you can see the question chapter, and after that we have to discuss the question answers. Take out your NCRTs. Yes. Now all of you will give the answers for the questions, but you will not shout, right? What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuel? Yes, Kanav. Yes, Kanav. Kanav. Wait. Yes, Kanav. What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? Any other student? What are the advantages of using?
They are used on non-polluting fuels as non-polluting fuels to transport vehicles.
Okay. Yes. Any other
LPG and
student?
CNG both are easy to store and transport.
Okay.
They give a
CNG
lot
is
of
used
energy when burned.
Wait. When I will say your name, then you have to speak. Yes, Kashish. What are the advantages of the using CNG and LPG as fuel?
They burn with a smokeless flame and so
Very
does
nice.
not
They
cause
burn with
any
a
pollution.
smokeless flame, right?
They leave no ash on burning.
Okay.
They are easy to handle and convenient to store.
Okay. Yes, Jayant. Yes, Jayant.
They are they are easy to transport through pipes.
Easy to transport. Okay. So, yes, Prabnoor. Sorry, Prableen. Yeah, Prabloon. Prabnoor.
They are clean
It
fuels.
has
Their cost is low.
Yes. So what main points we will write down? What are the advantages of using CNG and LPG as fuels? They burn without smoke, yani ki they are smokeless. They will not leave any residue or the ashes after burning. Easy to transport, easy to store, right? Have high calorific value, right? Have high calorific value. ठीक है? और any other point, easy to transport हो गया. ठीक है, these are the basic points, that is the smokeless fuel without any ashes, without any smoke. These are the main points for this. Easy to transport, having high calorific value, easy to store. These are the basic points that, or you can say the advantages of the LPG and CNG others on others fuels. Name the petroleum product used for surfacing of roads. Yes, Anshika.
The petroleum product name as bitumen is used for road surfacing.
Bitumen, 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 that is used for road surfacing, right? Describe how coal is formed from dead vegetation. What is this process called? Who will explain this question? Anshika, do you want to give the answer? Sayyam. Anshika, wait. Sayyam.
Yes, ma'am.
Hanji. Describe how
The
coal is formed.
earth was covered with trees. They were buried under the soil due to natural calamities. The remains of dead plants converted into peat coal. It has less than 60% of carbon. The peat coal converts into lignite coal due to compression. It contains 70 to 60% of carbon. Further compression occurs and bituminous coal is formed. It contains 70 to 80% of carbon. At last, anthracite coal is formed. Anthracite coal
It's
is
anthracite. Anthracite. ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Yes.
Anthracite coal is formed, and it is the pure form of coal, and it contains more than 90% of carbon.
Carbon. Very nice.
The
Yes.
process of formation of coal is known as carbonization.
Carbonization. Yes, Angel, can you define the carbonization? Sadika?
The slow process of conversion of dead plants into coal under the influence of high temperature and pressure is known as carbonization.
Carbonization, right? That is the slow conversion of the dead vegetation into coal, okay, under the influence of the high temperature and pressure. Then this is called the carbonization, yeah, carbonization, right? Fill in the blanks. Fossil fuels are dash, dash, and dash. Fossil fuels are dash, Angel.
Coal, petroleum, and natural gas.
Fossil fuels are coal, petroleum, and natural gas. आपने first 3 questions you have to write down for, ठीक है, on your notebook. Blanks you will not write, right? Second blank, process of separation of different constituents from petroleum is called. Yes, Manisha.
Refining.
Refining of petroleum or fractional distillation. Least polluting fuel for vehicle is
CNG.
CNG. Then true, false, fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory. Yes,
False.
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 CNG is more polluting than fuel than petrol.
False.
False. Coke is almost pure form of carbon.
True.
True.
Coal tar is a mixture of various substances.
True.
True. Kerosene is not a fossil fuel.
False.
False. Ab, see the first point that is written, isme true, false, fossil fuels can be made in the laboratory, right? Ye wala point. Ab now the next question is, explain why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Why fossil fuels are exhaustible natural resources. Yes, Hargun. Yes, Hargun.
Ma'am, because they take too much time to renew.
Renew भी कह सकते हैं. You can pick this first line that fossil fuel cannot be made in the laboratory. Fossil fuels cannot be made in the lab. It took a lot time, millions of years under high temperature and pressure. ठीक है, we in lab we are not supposed to give this kind of the temperature and pressure and million of years. That's why it is exhaustible natural resources. Any other who wants to explain this answer? Yes, Kashish.
Fossil fuels take millions of years to be formed. They are limited in nature and cannot be replenished easily once consumed. Hence, they are considered as exhaustible natural resources.
Right, and you can write down that point also, that it cannot be prepared in the lab. ठीक है जी. Next question, ये 6th question you have to write down. Then the 7th question, describe characteristic and uses of coke. Yes, Kanav.
Ma'am, it is almost pure from pure form of carbon. It is used as domestic as well as an industrial fuel in stoves and furnaces.
Okay. Yes,
It gives
Anshika.
little or no smoke.
अच्छा, हाँ जी बोलो कनव, sorry.
It gives little or no smoke.
Okay. Anshika.
Coke is almost the purest form of carbon, which is tough black. It is used as heating substance. It burns without smoke and it is comfortable. It contains 98% carbon. It is also used in steel manufacturing companies and coke press.
Yes, you have to write down the characteristic, that is tough, black in color, porous in nature. All these points you can write down under its characteristics. ठीक है जी. Then explain the process of formation of petroleum. Yes, Sadika.
Petroleum occurs deep under the surface of Earth between non-porous layers of rocks. It is formed from the dead remains of animals buried under the sea and get covered with layers of sand and clay. Over 1 million of years, absence of air, high temperature transform the dead organisms into petroleum and natural gas.
बिल्कुल सही. Right. ठीक है जी. Explain the formation of petroleum. Describe. That means 6th, 7th, 8th question you have to write down. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 6th, 7th, 8th. 9th we will not write down. ठीक है जी. These are the back exercise questions of your NCERT. You have to write down in your fair notebook. Okay. If anyone is having any difficulty, then you can ask. Any question is not clear or any topic is not clear, you can ask. Yes, Prabnu, do you want to say something?
Ma'am, in the 8th question, we also have to write how it is obtained.
How it is obtained, that we had discussed, na, ki how petroleum is, no. We just, we can write down the formation of the petroleum, how it is formed.
Okay.
ठीक है? Yes, Anshika.
मैम जो वाटर है उसको हम एग्जॉस्टिबल में लिखेंगे कि इनएग्जॉस्टिबल?
Water is inexhaustible, but now these days, I told you earlier also कि water is inexhaustible, but we will not able to get the pure water for the drinking if we will not use it in a proper manner, right? So we will consider it in a inexhaustible, but drinking water will not be there if we will not use in a proper manner. ठीक है? Yes, Sadika. Yes, Sadika.
Ma'am, can you please say the definitions of fossil fuels?
Definition of
Fossil fuels.
what she is saying, please, anyone can repeat?
Definition of fossil fuel.
What is the
Definition of fossil fuel. Fossil fuels are those which can, yeah, you can say the fuels that is obtained after millions of years ago, yeah, buried under the earth, buried under the soil for millions of years. Then after that, with the influence of the high temperature and pressure, these are converted into coal, petroleum, yeah, converted into fossil fuels. Yeah, converted.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Converted into useful material. Any other doubt if anyone is having?